Is this where the hole's where you want it?
Yeah, I want this centered on that bolt.
Okay, I would tack it here, here, and one under the bottom.
Yep.
Oh, hang on.
What did it pull?
All right, go ahead. You're good. All right.
Now then. Now.
I mean, if there's any wonky in it, it'll be taken up by the joints.
Yeah, but I still want the joint to have plenty of freedom.
Oh, for sure.
Of movement.
For no doubts is.
Oh yeah, that bolt's got to come off. You cannot install it with that bolt.
Oh yeah.
Because that notch.
Because it notch, yeah.